Is this thing on? Lights, camera, action. Hey, 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 Put together some chairs. Yeah, we're putting together some chairs. We're putting together some chairs. Hey yo, I said I'm putting together some chairs. No, they're bar stools. Why would you call them that? You must be a darn fool. Hey! So yeah, you screw it to the bottom and then you doubt them. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you back. You obviously liked my last video because you're back for more. That's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put together bar stools. Now, why bar stools? Because that's what my wife ordered, so that's what I'm gonna be putting together, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. Why? Because nobody showed me how to put together bar stools, so I'm here to help you out, you know. I'm trying to be the person that I've never had in my life, so I'm trying to put that in your life. So yeah, let's get it. We just moved in this house, so of course the missus is gonna be buying stuff left and right, all willy-nilly. But I'm trying to tell her, slow down. Give me time. I can't keep up. I can't put the stuff together as quickly as she just goes online and orders the stuff. And you know, UPS, FedEx, they're here like the next day, next 2 days, 3 days. I can't put this stuff together as quick as she orders it. So I'm trying to do what I can. So here's these bar stools. Hope you like it. I'm not sure what the make, the model, the name, all that kind of stuff about the bar stools is. I'll probably ask her what it is and I'll link it down below in case you like the bar stools. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is how your bar stools are gonna come. They're gonna come in a big box like this. As you can see, there's not much of a description. They're bar chairs. They come from China. Let's see. She ordered a pair of gray chairs. The model number is 2201. Bar chair velvet Oh, okay, she got velvet. Who told this woman to get velvet? Oh, okay, that's fancy. That's nice. All right, let's get into it. That's our next project. We have a set of bookcases. So, if you're a person that likes to sit at the bar while you read your books, the next video will be perfect for you. So stay tuned. Okay, this is nice. Okay. This looks comfortable. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh. Let me get y'all a little close-up look at this. This is nice. Okay, she did not did herself. Oh, almost dropped it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, what they say that was? That was velvet? Ooh, feel it. Ooh. All right, let's set this up. Looks like all I gotta do is put the legs on it. What's this? Oh. This is a stool part bottom. So yeah, this is the base right here. So this is like one of those barbershop kind of chairs. You know, the barbershop base. I'm pretty sure you just stick the pole in there and attach it to the chair. So this isn't really a tutorial video. Okay, this part is weird. Alright, so it has like a footrest part. Let's see, which way is the top, which way is the bottom, what does that do? Alright, so let's just put that down there until we get further instructions. There's some pieces in here. This actually might be a tutorial video. It looks simple, but you never know until you get on in here. My handy dandy knife. Let's see, we got some screws and washers with an Allen wrench, and we got a pole. What does this say? Important. Remove this cap before assembly. All right, cool. That's already taken care of. All right. Then you have this metal ring, which is probably the cap to cover one of those. All right, my favorite part, the instructions. All right, so it lets you know you have one of those. You pretty much have one of everything. You have 4 screws and 4 washers. So let's see, this should be pretty quick. There's only 4 steps. Let's see how long it takes me to get this done. Right now, 5:21. Let's get it. Let's get to work. Step 1, and it has no words, so I'm just going based off the picture. I wish they had words. Let's see. A, all right, the base. B, put that on there. Let's see, that's easy. So step number 1, you want to take your base and you want to take this little silver cap screw thing. You just want to twist it on here, or just put it on there. Yeah, just place it on there like so. Next, you want to take this silver long part and make sure you take the cap off. That was important. That's highlighted. Let's see. Let me show you what the cap looks like. All right, forget the cap. If you have a cap, get rid of it. You don't need it. It's highlighted several times to remove the cap before assembly. So I removed the cap. It's already gone. So yeah, you want to have the orange side pointed up, and you want to place this inside your base that you just twisted the cap on. And that should fit pretty snug in there. Do you need to twist it? Nope. All right, so that part just sits in there. Next step, we're going to screw this part into the chair, into the bottom of the chair, using your 4 screws and 4 washers. So let's get it. Okay, so I have the chair upside down. You can see the 4 holes where you're gonna put your screws in. You're gonna screw this metal part with the footrest on it, and you're gonna take it and screw in this side here. And you wanna make sure that the footrest is on the same side as the front of your chair. I'm not sure if that really matters yet, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure the seat can rotate and turn and spin. But yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty sure you have to have it the same way, facing the front. So let's get these bad boys in. So you want to put your screws in there in place. You want to make sure that you put them all in before you tighten them up, because you never know how your holes are going to be lined up. Sometimes you might have to make some adjustments before you tighten everything down. But so far, it looks like all my holes are in the right place. They give you an Allen wrench. This is the Allen wrench that you're going to use to tighten up your screws. I just tried to use a drill to make it faster, to speed up the process, but none of the bits fit these holes. They look like hexagons, but let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, they're hexagons. But yeah, I don't have any drill bits, so maybe this video is perfect for the person who orders a lot of stuff online, has to put a lot of things together, but they just don't have the tools. So yeah, let's get it. So we have our bottom attached to our chair. All right, so we have our leg rest attached to the bottom of our chair. So now we just have one piece left, and the instructions say to just pop this bad boy in. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pop this bad boy in. Let's see, this fits on there, and that's it. Let's see, put the other rest down, and that's it. And we have assembled our chair, and let's test it out. All right, so let's test this chair out for comfortability. Hopefully I don't fall. Let's see. Let me see my derriere and the cherriere. Okay, I like this. I just needed that back crap right there. I like it, you can spin around, okay. Does it slow you down if you spin around so many times? Because you know, sometimes chairs tighten up and they won't let you spin. But yeah, it's got some good spin to it. I haven't kicked around again in a few spins. Got a rusty spot. Let me see if I spin the other way. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting away from the rusty spot while we're going the other way. Yeah, it has a good, oh wait, hold on. Whew. Let me see if it raises up. The bar, trying to raise up. It's got a stick here. Maybe I ain't put it together right. Hold on. It's got a stick down. You know, most of them raise up. Oh, there we go. Now we're all the way up. Oh, I can't get up in here. Woo! And we got some hydraulics. Okay. I see you with the velvet chair. My wife doing it big with the great velvet. Whoop, whoop. Oh, Alright, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope your chairs came out just as well as mine did. If you're on the borderline of deciding whether you should order these chairs or not, I say you should give it a go. Maybe you're on the borderline because you don't know how to put things together, you don't have tools, or you may not have the time. You just saw it. It literally takes a few minutes. They're not really that hard to put together. There's only 4 steps. There's only 4 screws at that, so if you can't take an Allen wrench and screw a pole into the bottom of the chair and just stick it into the base, then you need some help. And yeah, somebody's gonna probably get you for your money and charge you some money to put them together. So yeah, for all of you who don't have anybody to put things together, you just saw it's very easy. So I recommend these chairs for you. So if you like the channel, like, subscribe, wait for my next one. My next one's dropping in a few days. You know how I drop, you know how I come through dripping with the drippity drip drip drop. So yeah, we're gonna be putting together some bookshelves. We're gonna be putting up some blinds. A lot of home improvement stuff, because there's a lot of home improvement when you buy a new house. So yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye now. Is this thing on?
You guys, what are these?
Bar stools.
Our bar stools are here, and my boy put them together. They're adjustable. Can you show them the mechanism, please?
Sure can.
Do you like them?
I do, I really do.
They really look nice, if nothing else.
You should wait till my YouTube video to see how much I like them.
So raise up.
Bro, you could have did that while sitting in it. What are you doing?
No, you can't.
Bruh.
You can't raise up while you're sitting in.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get in here.
Why? But why?
Because it's high.
What purpose?
It's for tall people.
If you break mine, it's for a bar.
Girl,
Go down.
If I break it, I'll put another one together.
Put it in.
Going down.
Yeah, obviously we have counter height. So we had to get.
That's a pretty good height all the way down.
Yeah, that's all the way down?
Yeah, let me scoot up some. Yeah.
Perfect.
That's it.
Your feet touch the ground? Little one?
Nice.
Scoot up, son. My feet touch the ground. No, scoot your butt up. Come on, dude.
Under the chair?
Yes.
That's the piece of point of sitting down. Who sits in a chair like, look at, bruh. Who sits in a chair like this?
So you can have your.
Just to be on the ground. No.
So you.
You're supposed to sit back.
No, I was just wondering if your feet touch the ground at all.
They don't. My feet don't touch the ground. Unless I'm all the way at the front, barely sitting down, not using the chair.
Whatever.